This is a quick tutorial on how to make LAB, Lactic Acid Bacterial Serum. The first step is to ferment rice wash water. You take some rice and you wash it, and you collect the washing water. You're going to put this in a jar and ferment it. Be sure to leave 1/3 airspace in the jar and then cover it with a breathable lid. You're going to let this ferment at room temperature, away from light, until you have a sediment at the top and the bottom, and you're going to have a nice smell. It takes about 3 days, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. Remove all the sediment and save the serum. You're only going to use the clear serum. You have just collected wild lactic acid bacteria. Now we're going to ferment that in milk. You're going to mix the rice wash water with milk using 1 part rice wash water and 10 parts milk, any kind of milk. Be sure to leave 1/3 airspace in the jar and cover it with a breathable lid. And you're going to let that ferment again, away from light at room temperatures, until it smells good and you've got a good separation of the curds and the whey. Remove from the jar separately. There are many ways to do this. As a bonus, you get farmer's cheese. You can eat it like it is, process it into a more advanced type of cheese, or feed it to your animals. The whey becomes your lactic acid bacterial serum that you can use on your plants and your animals.